How to make a crab salad, start by preparing your crab meat. If using fresh crab, pick through it to remove any shell or cartilage. Alternatively, you can use canned crab meat, which is already cleaned and ready to use. Next, chop your desired vegetables such as celery, bell peppers and red onions. Combine the crab meat and chopped vegetables in a large mixing bowl. In a separate small bowl, mix together mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and any other desired seasoning such as Old Bay seasoning for added flavour. Pour the dressing over the crab and vegetable mixture and gently toss until everything is evenly coated. Add chopped fresh herbs like parsley or dill for extra freshness. Chill the crab salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavours to meld together. Serve the crab salad on a bed of lettuce leaves or with crackers as a light and refreshing appetizer or main dish. Enjoy your delicious homemade crab salad.